Have you ever noticed your joint pain getting worse right before it rains, or when it suddenly turns cold? It's not in your head. In this video, I'll explain why weather changes can make osteoarthritis symptoms worse, and what you can do to feel better no matter the forecast. If you live with osteoarthritis, chances are you've blamed the weather at some point, and you're probably right. Changes in temperature, humidity, and air pressure can all affect how your joints feel. But how exactly does this work? And more importantly, how can you adapt so that weather changes don't affect you? Today, I'll walk you through the science, bust a few myths, and give you practical strategies to manage your symptoms, rain or shine. Let's get into it. 1. Barometric pressure. One of the biggest weather-related triggers for joint pain is a drop in barometric pressure. That's the pressure of the air around you. When pressure drops, often before storms or cold fronts, tissues inside your joints can expand slightly, putting pressure on nerves and triggering pain. People with osteoarthritis may feel this as stiffness, dull aching, or sharper pain, especially in areas already inflamed. You may notice it in your knees, hips, or hands before a storm rolls in. You're not imagining it, it's a physiological response. 2. Cold temperatures. Cold weather can cause your muscles and connective tissue to tighten. This added stiffness can make joints feel more rigid and painful. Plus, in colder weather, circulation tends to decrease in the extremities, especially in the hands and feet, which can reduce joint lubrication and make movement more uncomfortable. This is one reason why people with osteoarthritis often report more pain during the winter or in air-conditioned environments. 3. Humidity and dampness. High humidity levels can increase swelling in joint tissues and make the surrounding muscles feel heavier and more fatigued. This combination can worsen both stiffness and sensitivity. That's why some people say their joints know when rain is coming. It's the body reacting to the change in moisture, pressure, and temperature all at once. 4. Your mood and activity levels. Let's not forget the indirect effects. Rainy days, shorter daylight hours, or sudden weather shifts can mess with your routine, mood, and energy. You might move less, exercise less, or just feel more tired or down. All of that can increase your perception of pain. It's a feedback loop. Bad weather reduces movement, which leads to more stiffness, and discomfort, which leads to even less movement. This connection between mind, mood, and motion is often overlooked, but plays a big part in joint health. 5. Not everyone is affected the same way. It's important to understand that not every person with OA will feel the weather the same way. Some people are more sensitive to temperature, others to pressure or humidity, and some feel no effect at all. There's no one-size-fits-all explanation, but understanding your pain patterns and weather changes can help you prepare for flare-ups more proactively. So, now that you know how weather affects your joints, what can you do about it? In just a moment, I'll walk you through practical tips to manage weather-related joint pain, so you don't feel at the mercy of every cold front or rainy day. But first, let me ask you something quickly. What type of weather affects you the most? Cold? Rain? Heat? Let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, tap the like button so YouTube shows this to more people managing joint pain. Here are 5 things you can start doing today. 1. Keep joints warm. Use gloves, knee sleeves, or thermal wraps during colder months or in air-conditioned rooms. 2. Stay active indoors. Don't skip movement just because the weather's bad. Gentle indoor workouts like yoga, stretching, or stationary cycling can make a big difference. 3. Take warm showers or baths. Warm water can relax stiff joints and increase circulation. A quick soak can do wonders. 4. Use a dehumidifier or humidifier. If you live in a very damp or dry climate, adjust indoor humidity to a comfortable level. This helps ease joint stress. 5. Track your symptoms. Use a journal or app to track joint pain alongside weather patterns. This helps you spot triggers and plan ahead. If this video helped you, do well to subscribe to the channel. We post clear, practical health videos like this every single day. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you're the first to know when a new tip drops. Next, check out this video on the different joint supplements for osteoarthritis. It's linked right here on screen. Thanks so much for watching. Stay warm, and I'll see you tomorrow.